This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, the second trading day for January 2021. We can see the market continues to be stable to bullish as we begin the new year. And the question for 2021 is, how is the market going to respond to breakout ideas? The fact is that's an unknown. We don't know for sure. I guess we'll have to wait and see. But given the first 2 days for 2021, we can see the market continues to respond well to some of our picks. And here we can see an instrument that is showing a major move, bang, this week up about 45%, today being a Tuesday. Now, as I started the video, it remains to be seen whether this market is going to be as generous as 2020's market was, and whether we are going to continue seeing explosive moves for those playing breakouts. As you can see here, this instrument Atom, bang, is beginning the year with a nice move, and the stock has been on our breakout watch list a couple of times in 2020, as you can see here in August, and also going back to July and May. So the explosive move is not a surprise to some of us. As you can see, the most recent breakout corresponds with the minimum requirement, which should be the gist of this video. Again, just to reinforce the understanding that breakouts need to meet very simple requirements if they're going to be outstanding movers in the market. We can see here price breakout as of December, the most recent breakout. The RSI also jumped above 69.1. As you can see here, and during that time period, the MACDs also did break out to 3-year highs at the very minimum, which means this met the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout. So it's a simple method, but very powerful, because if you consider the list, these are the best performing stocks from 2020. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see that the ones highlighted in yellow dominate this list. This is about the top 50 stocks or so from 2020. And we managed to capture all of these breakouts based on this very minimum requirements. In fact, this method was able to give signals, and we were able to capture 15 of the top 17 stocks from 2020. Now remember, guys, this is not a trivial matter. This is huge. 15 of the top 17 stocks, including the number 1 and the number 3 top gainers from 2020, and 49 of the top 60 US stocks from 2020, which was an amazing year. Now, this is according to barchart.com. So according to barchart.com, what I did is I removed all the warrant stocks to come up with these numbers. So just a disclaimer there. Now let's consider another recent explosive name, bang, ticker symbol BTBT. This instrument has moved with a lot of power and thrust over the last 2 weeks. And our most recent breakout alert captured the breakout based on this breakout right here, just before it moved above 12. So before it moved above 12, the stock met the minimum requirements. And this is as of late December 28th was the most recent breakout alert. The other alert when it was in the middle of November. So at about $12 about a week or so ago. Again, this is the weekly chart, and what I'm trying to show you here is whatever instruments are going to be moving for this new year 2021, the formula is going to be the same. Again, the entry right here, stock has had an amazing run from before the breakout of 12, now as high as 33. But keep in mind, the minimum requirements remain the same. Take a look at where the RSI was doing and what it was doing as of November, and again as of December, breaking out and moving above 69.1. And we can see that the MACDs did not disappoint. The MACDs also met the minimum requirements. So if you're going to see success, if you trade breakouts, it makes sense to understand the ultimate Muathe breakout if you are doing your own research. If you don't have time, or if you want to lean on somebody else's experience, I would say don't hesitate to give my service a try. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love, light, light, love. Namaste.